Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Liana back and today we're gonna continue our circle of fifth with 6 sharps. Ouch! One more to go. Actually this one and one more. That's it and we're done. And we're done with all the sharps. So wisdom of scales. Oh my god. Okay. So today it's the turn of D sharp major. So we're having 6 sharps with F sharp major. So we're having all these 5 sharps and E sharp, right? So we're having all 5 and the 6th one is the E sharp. So if you did not practice this one, F sharp major, don't do the other one because it's similar and it will become harder. It's easier to play the major first and then learn the minor. So definitely check the other video with F sharp major and then go to the minor one. So F sharp major is this one. So right now, 3 steps down, 1, 2, 3, and you know it, it's the D sharp minor. D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp. So the only one that is not sharp, it's the B. Everything else is sharp. You think opposite right now. It's not what sharps we having. You think exactly opposite. What sharps is not. So, and then the only one that is not is the B. That it you will play the B, regular B. Other than that, all the sharps. B, right? The fingering are exactly the same as in F sharp major, so I'm not gonna I'm not gonna repeat myself. Go and check on that video. That the link is gonna be into the description. So go there and figure it out. The left hand is this one. B. B. Both hands. B. Actually, this one is not as hard. I don't feel that it's as hard. I thought, in my point of view, I think G sharp minor it's a little bit harder and F sharp minor it's a little, trickier. But this one, it's not as bad. Right? E sharp, B, F, D. Right? I'm gonna go into the harmonic one. The good news, again, I'm gonna give you the good news that now that you're learning the D sharp minor, it's exactly the same thing with E flat minor. So it's called enharmonic with E flat minor. So practically you're learning 2 scales at this moment in time. You switch your mind into flats. When we're gonna go there, I'm gonna explain more, but just keep in mind as a mental note that this one you're learning two scales on the same time. Okay, I'm gonna go into D sharp harmonic. So this would be C double sharp. I explained in the other tutorial why it's called C double sharp and it's not called the D. In my very first tutorial about the scales, when I was explaining what is a scale, I said we're having 7 keys that needs to be played in order by the pitch as they arrive, and they must be named once. So you have D, E, F, G, A, B, and right now you need to name the C. That C right now is a D, but that's how you call it, C double sharp and then D sharp, right? So this is C sharp, this is C double sharp, right? Another example, G sharp, G double sharp. Or it's gonna be opposite as well, B flat, B double flat, when we're gonna go into flats, minor flats, right? So again, this is not hard to play actually. It goes really easy into the hand. But the left hand, it will have here a really good interval for you to practice. Yes, it's 1, and then number 3, it will go over this interval that we're calling, it's a second, it's an augmented second. You cannot call it a third or a minor third. They are enharmonics as well, and I'm not gonna go into the theory because then I wanna overload you. But needs to be played like that. So do practice this. Actually, this is the only scale that goes like that. So it is what it is. So just practice this. Again, if you did not practice the major one, F sharp major, do practice that one because it's going to be much easier. I hope I didn't say it twice. Okay, for the melodic one, D sharp melodic, I'm going to go pretty fast. So it's going to be B sharp and C double sharp. So goes like that. And then going down is natural. This is not as hard as other, or I don't feel it's that hard. I don't feel. I hope you know, just have a look. Changing the fingering going down. Okay. This I don't know what else to say. This is the scale. As I said, you're learning 2 scales from the same time. If you are just a beginner, just go very slow. And step by step, the wisdom of scale and practicing the scale, it's a lifetime. Actually, it's not a lifetime, but it's for a couple of good years practice, because then you got to go into arpeggios and long arpeggios and all of that. And it's really fun when you know them very well, because it's helping you in everything you're going to play ever into the piano, right? So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And next time is our last scale with sharps, and that would be A sharp minor, that all of them, they're sharps, and actually it's one of the easiest one. It's not gonna be hard. So see you in the next one. Don't forget, subscribe, press the bell button to be notified. I will be doing lots and lots of uploading and lots of videos this year, including more Hanon and fingers exercise, and then I will be doing a lot of Disney and classical music and performance. So this will be a full year of uploading and uploading for you for free. So please enjoy and see you in the next one. Thank you so much and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much and God bless you.